Hello everyone, nice to meet you all again. I'm Sai Sankara. So, as you guys know, my wife and I, we reside in Minneapolis, and we are actually expecting our first child anytime now. So, she's due in technically 2 weeks, so anytime I might be uh, in the hospital, and we might be in labor. So, very, very excited about that, and that's occupying most of my time. I also work at Medtronic as an engineering program manager. My job, I have a budgetary accountability of the program, and I must be on point with how much money I'm spending and how much I'm forecasting, so that I'm always within the budget window that I'm proposing. And with the baby due, I'm also redoing my personal finances so that I can stay within budget even post baby. So I'm just trying to see what loans can I clear off so that I can make room for the baby and so on and so forth. So it's something that I'm very very passionate about, the personal financing and budgeting. So I'm very much looking forward to learning new models, new perspectives from everyone in this course. So looking forward to meeting everyone again and just learning from everyone. So thanks all.